Hey, I'm Aaron, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at Wonderlich Curve 2. This puzzle is a level 9 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So this is another fractal tray puzzle by Martin Rainsford. This design in particular, this fractal curve design, comes from Giuseppe Pino, and he was doing fractal work in 1890. This is the second of the Wonderlich Curve puzzles, and that translates to Whimsical Curve. Has a very peculiar design. But we can see that it starts at one point and ends at another. And the whole fractal thing is that it's a line that fills a space in a repetitive manner that never overlaps itself. Now we can see there are intersecting lines, and that's just because you gotta break this up into a puzzle. This is very cool. When you put pieces in, they just drop in and disappear. It's really neat. It's a super satisfying puzzle to do. And the finish is very nice. Oiled wood. All laser cut out. On the front you got it laser etched. We'll see if I can maybe flip this. Yep. You got Martin's Rainsford. Little kitty laser etched in the back. Yeah, these are quite difficult puzzles. Very satisfying to do as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.